Okay, we are going to have a rapid fire questions and that will be general knowledge questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So first tell me, how old are you?
6 years old.
Okay. So my first question to you is, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay. Who is the President of India?
Ms. Ramnath Kovind.
Okay. Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay. Who is the father of Constitution of India?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay. Which is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Okay. Which is the national anthem of India?
Jan Gan Man.
Okay. Which is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Okay. How do you say namaste in Marathi?
Namaskar.
Okay. How do you say namaste in Tamil?
Vanakkam.
Okay. What is the topmost color of Indian flag?
Saffron.
Okay. How many lines does Ashok Chakra has?
24.
All right. Okay. Do you know how many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Okay. And what comes before Sunday?
Saturday.
All right. Which is the smallest month of the year? Yes.
Let me think.
Okay. Smallest month of the year.
February.
All right. How many hours are there in a day?
24.
Okay. Okay, do you know shape with 5 sides? What it is called?
Pentagon.
Okay. And shape with 8 sides?
Octagon.
All right. And how many sides does triangle have?
3.
3 sides. Okay.
9.
Okay, how many vowels are there in English alphabet?
A, E, I, O, U. 5.
Okay. How many consonants are there?
21.
All right. Where is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
Okay. And do you know what are the 3 primary colors?
Red, yellow, blue.
Okay. And where does sun rises in?
East.
Okay. And where does it sets?
West.
Okay. Okay, tell me the animal sound, okay? Tell me the sound for goat.
Bleep.
Okay. A bird.
Chirp.
Okay. What do you call a baby of a pig?
Piglet.
Okay. And a baby of a lion?
Cub.
Okay. Where does lion lives in?
Den.
Okay. And where does dog lives?
Kennel.
Hen?
Coop.
Okay. Okay, when you ask for something, what should you say?
Please.
Okay. Okay, if you travel by air, what means of transport will you use?
Let me think.
Okay.
Airplane.
Alright. And if you travel by water?
Ship.
Okay. Okay, tell me, how do you smell?
Nose.
Okay. How many toes do you have?
10.
10 toes. Okay. Okay. Do you know which is the capital of India?
Let me think. New Delhi.
Okay. And tell me one neighboring country of India.
China.
Okay. Okay, which number is greater, 101 or 111?
111.
Okay. Okay, I'm showing you some pictures. Okay, just tell me what sign is it. Okay, just wait. Okay, what is this sign? This sign. What is it?
Zebra crossing.
Okay. Okay, next sign.
No U-turn.
Okay. Next, what is it?
No parking.
Okay. Just wait, just wait. Okay, what is the time here?
Time is 3 o'clock.
Okay. Can you tell me who this man is? Profession?
Fireman.
Okay. And just wait. And this?
Soldier.
Okay, sit. And this?
Lawyer.
Yes. What it is? Lawyer. Yes. And this? Look at the picture.
Farmer.
Yes. Okay, we have few more pictures. Okay, can you recognize him?
Bhagat Singh.
Okay. And this?
Mahatma Gandhi.
This? Tell me.
Let me think.
Okay. Okay, he is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, he's a cricketer. Okay, fine. Okay, did you enjoy answering?
Yes.
Okay, sit. Okay, so you want few more questions?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do it next session, okay? All right.